The allegation is that you remained soft in tackling that. Do you agree that you should have been a little more harsher, little more proactive, because it has turned out to be quite a big scandal?
I don't. I have no occasion to hear such an allegation. Softness is in my mind. Softness is there. That is human tendency. If you are so cruel, you can consider your opponent your opponent as an enemy. In Kerala, my literary work was latest literary book, Stories, released by Chief Minister of Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan. In my emergency book now released, I have stated something about his activities at that time.
You feel you should have been a little more harsher because of the nature of the allegation and the scandal that
No allegation, no scandal. Not such things. I have
regarding the paper leak, I'm saying, not the other.
Not people, I have not noted that. So far, nobody has stated like that. This type of, you see, allegation not against me as such now.
No, it's not against you. But it's saying as a chancellor, you should have acted more
Then
firmly.
they use the dhoti-walas are controlling. That is not correct. I would like to say, for the interest of the Goa and our university, these people will study things properly and not a vengeance approach to anybody, including Vice Chancellor, not me. They have not stated anything. If they stated against me, I know what is to be done. In so many cases, I myself was a complainant in 12 defamatory cases. In almost all papers, everybody's truth is with me. Then apologize before the court, and I never any pay or compensation claim. So truth is truth. Nobody can suppress and depress it.